Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum, where we talk about market movements, making money, and money momentum. Once again, we're going to be talking about DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group. We saw some pretty nice gains today, up 5%, and we're back at the $35 mark. And so with this recent price momentum, I want to talk about the news and the catalysts that might be pushing this stock upward. But as always, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. So let's hop into it. So when we zoom out and we take a look at the 1-year chart, this is currently where we sit at. And we could see over the last year that this spot has been tapped multiple times, being a major support level for the stock. We could see that we're sitting on top of this channel here. And we could see with more momentum going into DJT, we should be breaking this channel soon. And when we break out of this channel, the next major resistance level from here is going to be at $40, followed by 45 to 47 for President Trump. And then after that, we would be revisiting the 50s, which is where all the halting and manipulation really started, where Robinhood took away the trading on margin and where a lot of the issues for DJT began. But the stock is still moving upwards. And I've been saying for a while with DJT, I think all it's going to take is one big piece of news or one catalyst that's really going to blow this stock to the moon and past all the current support and resistance levels. And so for the stock to be pumping without any major catalysts, this is really great news to see, as that when we do see a big catalyst or we do see something that really jumps this stock up, we're going to be even higher on the price point by that time. And not only has DJT been rising, but so has cryptocurrencies lately. And I think the trade that is really being set up here is the mass adoption into cryptocurrency. As this catalyst here, I think could really push this stock to the moon. This was reported earlier in November, and that is that Trump's social media company is looking to buy the cryptocurrency exchange Bakkt. And that is very possible, as Trump's social media company holds a lot of cash on hand. And with all this cash on hand, you know that they're definitely looking to make a move. And so if Trump's social media company does buy Bakkt, we could see some major moves in the stock. And so considering that this sale hasn't gone through yet, a lot of the money flowing into DJT could be in anticipation for this and the inauguration is coming up. And talking about that, when we look at events in the future, let's remember also that come January 7th and 8th, all the contracts that we're playing with the Kamala Harris and Donald Trump contracts on election night will come due. So anybody who had invested into Donald Trump will be getting their payment on January 7th or 8th, which is huge because this will be just 2 weeks before the inauguration. And let's also remember that the bears have been pretty negative on DJT, DJT having a pretty high short interest at 8.5%. And earlier in November, we did have some insider trading as well. And it really looks like those insiders really sold their bags at the bottom. So with all the buying and the shorts needing to cover, we could kind of see a squeeze scenario here. And with all the companies' cash on hand, they could easily buy the cryptocurrency exchange Bakkt any day now. And so it is in my opinion that we are just at the beginning of a major bull run. And I've said for a while now that I think DJT is very undervalued, and I was calling the floor around $29. We're starting to see some positive price momentum up from there, but I still think there's room to get in for investors who have yet to join. And my best suggestion for anybody feeling fear, uncertainty, and doubt with this play, just remember that a lot of the momentum with this play is going to be going into January and into the inauguration. And for me, it would actually be foolish to sell before 2025, as I don't want to take the tax penalty in 2024 from the sell of these shares, especially because I think the value of these shares are going to be a lot higher come 2025, especially right before the inauguration. So I would be curious to hear what everyone has to say about this stock below. So please drop a comment, please leave a like, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.